Interesting viewers, today problem is if 10 to the power of n plus 25 whole square minus 10 to the power of n minus 25 whole square is equal to 10 to the power of 2012, then what is the value of n? Simply this is in the form of a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So the result is 4ab. So simply here this is in the form of this form. So we can apply 4ab. Here what is a? 10 to the power of n. What is b? 25. So by taking 4ab, 4ab is nothing but 4 into a 10 to the power of n into b 25 is equal to, we have 10 to the power of 2012. Here 425 is 100. 100 into 10 to the power of n is equal to 10 to the power of 2012. 100 can be written as 10 square into 10 to the power of n is equal to 10 to the power of 2012. Here bases are equal. According to laws of exponents, we can add the powers. 10 to the power of 2 plus n is equal to 10 to the power of 2012. Here bases are equal. We can equate the powers. So simply 2 plus n is equal to 2012. So from this we have n is equal to 2012 plus 2 becomes minus 2. If you take 2 right side. So what is the value? 2010. 2010. So this is the value of n. If you not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Thank you.